This is a practice exercise video solution. For this practice exercise, we want to get started with the supplied dataset additive setup-pe.f3d. For this design, we want to continue setting up an additive generative design study. So from here, we already have load cases that have been applied, but we don't have materials, manufacturing methods, or design objectives. So we'll get started first by going to Objectives, making sure that we're using minimize mass with a factor of safety of 2. We also want to make sure that we use displacement, and in this case we're going to restrict displacement in the z direction only. We want to make sure that it's a maximum of 1 millimeter, and we'll say OK. Next, under manufacturing methods, we're going to take a look at unrestricted and additive. We'll deselect milling, and for additive we're going to include all 6 directions as the build orientations. The overhang angle for this specific printer can be up to 75 degrees, and the minimum thickness value that we want to use is going to be 1.5 millimeters. We'll select OK and then navigate to Materials. For materials, we're going to use all methods and focus our attention on the additive materials. The aluminum is already added, but we'll expand metal and make sure that we include Inconel 625 and stainless steel 304, as well as titanium. We'll also want to make sure that we explore at least one plastic, so we're going to use the HP Jet Fusion plastic and make sure we include that as well and select Close. We don't need to solve this generative study for this example, but if you wish to, you can go ahead and review it using the previewer to ensure that we do have a build volume, and then if you wish, you can explore it further. If you do decide to solve this generative study, I would strongly suggest that you go through and create some obstacles for the mounting area, as well as some obstacles in the design, so you can explore how it can build around them.